What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs. I'm going to show you how to wrap the interior trim of your car. I'm outside. It is freezing. It is 24 degrees outside. I'm going to go inside and get started on this video, so stay tuned. Here we have a before and an after, so let's show you how to get this done. Here are the materials that you'll need: a hairdryer, a napkin, a scissors, the trim, alcohol, and the vinyl wrap of your choosing. We are using carbon fiber white. I'll post a link in the description below. Use the alcohol and napkin to wipe and remove any dirt from the trim. Now we take our carbon fiber wrap and outline our trim. Using a scissor to cut the outline allows us to get an appropriate shape without wasting much wrap. Peel back the adhesive paper and firmly press on the trim. Work as much of the air bubbles out as you can. You want this to look as neat as possible. We use a hairdryer to heat and stretch our wrap to ensure a hugging fit. This also allows our wrap to gain additional flexibility. Do not do this when it's cold. Heating up vinyl wrap with instant cold makes it very brittle. Now that you're done, do a final inspection for any air bubbles. Here is a side-by-side of before and an after. Alrighty guys, that was the whole entire video. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please click the subscribe button and also hit that bell notification on top to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Oh my god, it is cold. Peace.